Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into HBO Max on mobile phone. First, open the HBO Max app on your mobile device. Then, firstly, head over to your app store, search for HBO Max and make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or the Play Store. Next, on the welcome screen, tap login or sign in. You'll see options to log in with email and password or to a TV provided account. Next, click continue, and then if you created our account using email, enter the correct email address and password, then tap login. If your account is linked to a TV provider, choose sign in to TV provider and follow on the screen instructions. If login fails, double check your email spelling, turn off VPN, and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also restart the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the HBO Max, and then swipe it away. Next, you're going to go ahead and restart the app once before trying again. That's it. You should now be logged into HBO Max on your device. If it helped, like this video and check the description for more fixes. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.